This is a place that is a living, breathing part of Dublin history, and it has been for 95 years nearly at this stage. So I think it's just an opportunity that to work with an iconic Dublin building and entertainment venue. It was sold, I think, a couple of times, and then plans were announced last year to reopen it as a cinema. So from the end of last year up until now, there's been people in here every day working to restore it back to the way that it was in 1923. I'd like to think that the customer service, the level of comfort, the quality is going to set us apart from hopefully anywhere else, and I hope that people will feel that it's money well spent coming to the Stella.